Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be discussing or reviewing the 1Super top free Robux. So as you can see right here, we already have it here on malwaretips.com, and right here they basically will go over the 1Super.top free Robux scam, and basically right off the bat they say that it is a scam. And it is pretty obvious. There are a lot of things like these which they offer. There are a lot of sites like these that offer free Robux, just like 1Super.top. So actually, here in Malware Tips, they go over how the scam works. So number one, they advertise the free Robux offer. And number two, prompting users to input username and talking users through verification, and then actually never receiving the Robux as promised, which is not a surprise. So as you can see, they actually go over the red flags in 1Super.top. So too good to be true, like 50,000 or 100,000 free Robux, which is really too good to be true. So please do not fall for these. Mainly their targets are young kids or young children, which tend to fall for these kinds of scams since they don't know any better. So right here, they also have sketchy redirects, pressuring language. So like redeem now before the offer expires. So they actually have the little countdown. Thankfully, this site doesn't exist anymore. So if you actually search this, 1Super.top, and as you can see, you're taken to this one, which is not the Robux site. So actually, right here in Scam Advisor, they're also rated 1 out of 100, and they have a lot of negative highlights. So please do not fall for this scam. And it is basically too good to be true. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.